Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable dark mode for your Dropbox mobile application. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already installed the application and logged into my account. If you guys don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to enable the dark mode. To do that, initially what you guys have to do is simply go to your account. At the bottom right section, you can see a button like this that says Account. Simply click on it right now. This right here is my Dropbox account. As you can see, I have currently uploaded nothing. At the top right, you can see a gear-like icon that is Settings. Simply click on it. Then from here, you will be redirected to this page. Do note that you can see your details, the features and everything. But right now, what we guys need to do is simply scroll down till we see something like dark mode. And right here, you can see a button like this that says dark mode. It is just a web Dropbox password. Simply click on it and it's gonna give you a few options. Follow system, always dark, always light. And as we do want to enable the dark mode, I'm gonna click on the second option. And guys, as you can see, we have successfully enabled dark mode for our Dropbox mobile application. That is it guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.